How to connect Supabase to Cursor AI. So here's one way you can do this. Go ahead to a project of yours in your Cursor AI, and then you're gonna go ahead to your agent settings. So once you're here, go ahead to Tools and MCP, and then you're gonna navigate yourself to your preferred browser first. So make sure this is stayed open, but here you're gonna go ahead to your Supabase account, and then you go ahead to your documents over here, and then your Supabase MCP servers. So go to the left tab and then scroll down here to your AI tools. And once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down a bit more and make sure your client is set to cursor, and then just go ahead and press on add to cursor over here. The site will try to open cursor. Go ahead and open that up and toggle that, and it should just bring you back to cursor directly in the app. But now you're just gonna go ahead and install the MCP server, follow up with the next process, and set it all up. But once you're all done, you're just gonna have to authenticate your cursor from your Supabase, and you will be pretty much finished. The connection will be done. So that is the general idea on how you do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.